kitchen back there. Now we have to clean this kitchen, otherwise my mama will kill us.
Gulab jamu?
Gulab jamun, not jamun.
Auntie!
Wacha yako, ni funny.
Andy, I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have my friend Rebecca who is going to show us how to make gulab jamun, which is an Indian Pakistani sweet. So I'll let her tell us what exactly it is. Rebecca, what is a gulab jamun?
Hi, this is gulab jamun. It's a sweet dish. It's from Pakistan and India, and it's kind of a dessert as well. You can say that, and it's really dessert.
Okay guys, so follow through and try and make it at home.
Milk powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, cardamom, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup sugar, oil 2 tablespoons, 1 egg, normal temperature. We need a 1 bowl. We put our milk here, 1 cup of milk, and then we will place there our baking powder, which is a half teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, we put it here, and then we'll make it half this one. We will not use fully because we need to use this one for making our sugar syrup. So we will just use little of this bean, just for a smell. Or flavor you can give. If you don't like cardamom, you can reduce because it's not necessary. We'll mix these dry ingredients. And then we will go to our pan to make our sugar syrup, then we'll come back here.
She's very busy. She's learning something. She can't talk now. Later, okay?
We had some leftover fat that we used to make french fries, so we are going to use this for the gulab jamun. Don't waste any fat, just freeze it and reuse it. So here she said that we should add juice of half a lemon into our sugar syrup to avoid crystallization of the sugar while we're making the syrup itself. As the sugar syrup is simmering, let's go back and make our dough for the gulab jamun.
We are back to here. Now we will take it out our dry ingredients, which is we already mentioned. We added. Now we'll put our this 2 tablespoon oil, which is we used. We'll put it inside here. 1 egg, which is on room temperature. remember one thing, whatever we'll use, it should be room temperature, not cold. Now we will mix it with using our hand. Make a dough. It will be stuck in your hand, but we don't need to make sticky. We just make like mix it, not like we need to make very hard dough and this one we just mix it. In this case, our dough is ready already. So we're gonna make small bowl. We'll twist it like this. If you feel that it's sticking in your hand, you can put it on your hand little, and then you can do it also. More small balls, equal part. Divide in equal part.
Why are you so serious?
I'm not serious. I'm just trying to tell you, and we'll make a round. Make sure there is no crack, and it should be shiny like this.
Let's see.
Round. It should be shiny, not big crack. No one crack here.
Smooth, huh?
Smooth. Very smooth.
How long are we cooking it for?
It's just more than 10 minutes, then we'll finish.
So where exactly is it from? India or Pakistan?
Both of them. Both of sides.
What do you mean by both of them?
Because in India and Pakistan both they have famous dishes.
This gulab jamun.
It's very famous.
So
You will find everywhere in India and in Pakistan.
So like it's a dessert, a sweet or appetizer?
It's a sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So you can buy anywhere.
You can buy, but only in the bakeries.
Why in bakeries and when you're frying it? Why do they sell it in bakeries and where?
Because there is a shop in a bakery, that's a part of the bakery also. There is all kind of sweets you can find them. So, but the name is a bakery, but you can find all kind of sweets in the bakery, right? Okay, we are back here. We will just check our oil is hot or not. We need to deep fry them, and we need too much oil, not a little oil, because we need to go do the deep heat. We will check like this. We'll put our finger. It's still not hot. We will not make too much hot. We will make only little hot that our finger can tolerate. So we will wait it to get it hot. We'll wait for 2 minutes to get it hot. Before we put it inside, we have this small one bowl. We will put it inside. We will see the bubbles will come up. We will just see. It will be very slowly will come up. So you can see the small bubbles inside. It means we will put our these things inside. So we will put one by one. Instead of burning our finger, we will put it from sides. We will not burn our fingers. We will just put it from the sides, so that So we'll wait for a while to be get it. Once they will come, we need to wait to tell that they will fly. They will come up. They will swim.
They will fly.
No, they will swim. They will swim, not fly. They will swim. So we need to wait because once they will start cooking, they will come top of the oil. So we need to wait till that time. As you can see, the some of them they already in halfway.
They what?
They are already halfway. They are just.
They're coming up.
Yeah, they will come up. So once they will come up, we'll start cooking. And we will cook very low heat. And the one we make the serum, we'll put it low heat. You can see as
That's our syrup, the sugar syrup. huh?
sugar syrup. So we'll just put it in very low heat.
Okay.
So we remove this cardamom. If you want to keep this one, you can keep it, or you can remove that one also. And there is one more thing, you can add some food color on the sugar syrup if you like it, the color of the syrup to be little yellow, you can put the food color. If you don't like, for me I don't like, it's just optional, you can put it.
Okay.
Instead of cardamom, if you don't have a cardamom, you can use the rose water as well for here, or rose essence as well.
That is rose water or rose essence for the
The flavor, the sugar syrup, it's just for a flavor, nothing else.
instead of cardamom.
Instead of cardamom. As you can see, the one we put the first before, it's already on up, the smaller one.
It's already come up, huh?
Yeah, it's already come, so they have to swim. See,
Okay.
it's coming up. This all are coming up. So
So
we
you have
have
to cook it with
we
a
have
very
to
low heat.
we have to push them to swim on.
Okay.
It's very low heat, very low heat. You need to cook on very low heat. As you can see, what we are doing, we are just pushing them to cook from everywhere very slowly, not the hard way, because we want the color both sides same color, not like one side is dark, one side is low. We need same color. Like you can see here, it's just little color, right? So we
Okay.
want everywhere the same color.
So
we
it's
will
like
put-
a golden brown color.
yeah. So we are almost here. Look at here. It's almost done. So we just need to give it little more color. And then we'll put in this sugar syrup. See, you can see. And in this stage, you can give the color how you like. You like a darker, you like a lighter color. It's up to you. But
So
we need to
you
make
don't-
it round them because we need a same color everywhere.
So you don't want very dark.
No, I want the little brown.
Wow, that's so nice.
So after that,
Say thank
See.
you. Doke utunyitira ona ninyonekane.
look at here.
Sababu nalala. Sina
Look at-
naizo meat. We're looking like a couple.
You're crazy. Look at here now. You can focus here.
Yes.
Look at this. It's become brown. I want this kind of color. I don't want very darker, very light. I want like this one. So as you can see, it's almost done. I will switch off the flame for now.
But we're using electric cooker. Where is the flame? Stop it.
We will look at
Yeah, it looks
now
very-
in
that
this
color is
stage.
nice.
In this stage, our sugar syrup, we will make it very low heat. We will not put more heat. We will just make it very low heat. We will put them inside. This will go straight in.
So straight from the oil directly into the sugar syrup.
Yes.
Then you boil it in the sugar syrup or what?
No. We will cover it for 30 minutes.
While the sugar syrup is in low heat.
Yes. We will remove our this oil because it's dangerous. It's very hot. And now we will put it this one here. We will switch off our flame and then we will cover it for a while with something that we can We'll come back later on this
So
one.
you let this one boil like this, or what is this?
No, we switched off. It's just a heat little low heat.
Ah, so this is the heat that was there already.
Yeah, we'll cover it. We'll come back after 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
After 30 minutes, we'll come back here.
Okay, 30 minutes.
Okay, so we'll come back here. Welcome back. Well, we'll check our gulab jamun. As you can see,
Oh, wow.
it's already done
Soaked in the
in the syrup.
syrup. Wow.
As you can see, it's
That's a
already.
very nice color.
Yes. Now we will serve as we want. Let's go to our counter. Come back here. So we have here one serving bowl. We will serve here one by one. Because it's very soft, we need to take it very carefully. Now I have some pistachio. So it's just like a 1 tablespoon, and I will just garnish them with this one. So as you can see, it's very hot. It's done.
So there we have it, guys. There is our gulab jamun by Rebecca.
It's done. This is final touch. As you can see it.
Yeah, we put some pistachio on the top so you can serve it. And we have some sugar syrup.
Because you need to dip, and you will eat with the sugar syrup, with a spoon of the gulab jamun with the sugar syrup. It's really yummy. And you will be like, how can I explain? I don't have expression to explain.
Okay.
Hope you will like our recipe and you will try it at home, and I hope you will enjoy that recipe.
Okay, so guys, goodbye. Have fun. We're going to enjoy this gulab jamun. We'll tell
And
you how
we'll
it is.
see you later on
Bye-bye.
with a new recipe.
Wait, si mtulie tumalize hii sasa. Ni ya mwisho.
Ready?
Relax.